Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. It's me, MARKKINGS, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to create a brand new YouTube channel account and how to do all the necessary setup you need to do right on your YouTube channel as a beginner for you to start getting successful even before you hit on the publish button to publish your first video. And at the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys one of the things you need to have in mind even before you click on record button for you to record your first video. So let's get right to the video. So the first thing you're going to do is to head over to youtube.com. So once you are on the youtube.com, the next thing you're going to do is to move over to the top right corner and then click on your Gmail logo. So if you click on your Gmail logo, this is what you're going to be seeing. If you're not seeing this, that means you need to sign up for a Gmail account. And even if you don't know how to sign up for a Gmail account, you don't need to worry because I've already made a video on that and I'm going to be tagging it on this particular video you are watching right now. So the next thing you're going to do after this is to click on the create a channel located below your Gmail account. So once you click on create a channel, this is the page you're going to be redirected to. So this is where you're going to be inputting your name, the names that you want to use on your channel. So right here, I'm going to be changing this name to the name I want my YouTube channel to answer. So the name I want it to answer is Fun Times with MARKKINGS. So that's what I'm going to be inputting right now. So, and after that, I'm going to do the same for the handle. So once I'm done with that, I will click on create channel. So right here, I have successfully created a YouTube channel right here, but yet I'm not close to done yet. So the next thing I'm going to do is to head over to the YouTube studio to do some important settings that you need to do on your YouTube channel. So I'm going to be clicking on the YouTube studio right there. So I'm right here on the YouTube studio and you can see welcome to YouTube studio. So I'm going to be clicking on the continue button for me to continue with my settings. So this way I'm going to be doing all the necessary settings I need to do on YouTube for my channel to be in the right direction. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on the settings icon in the left hand side of the YouTube studio. So once I click on it, this is the page it's going to be redirecting me to. So on this page, I'm going to be starting with the general settings. So on the general settings is the default unit where you're going to be choosing the currency you are going to be paid once you are monetized. So there is a lot of currency here that you're going to be choosing from. And I want you to have in mind that any currency you are choosing here should be a currency that is widely accepted in your country of residence. Otherwise, you will find it difficult for you to get your money. So on this page, I would advise you to leave it on default mode. And after that, you move to the advanced settings where you are going to be choosing your audience, the people that your videos are meant for. So right there you can see, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? So if you want to set your channel as made for kids, you click on yes, set this channel as made for kids. I mostly upload content that's made for kids. Or if you don't want, you can click on no, set this channel as not made for kids. I almost never upload any content for kids. So for me, I would advise you to put it on I want to review the settings for everyday video. And this is because it will help you to make the right decision for every video you upload on your channel. And once you upload a video that is not only meant for kids and then you leave it for kids, just know that that kind of videos cannot be monetized. So in conclusion, I would advise you to leave it on I want to review these settings for every video. So it will help you to make the right decisions for every video you upload. So scrolling down a little bit is where we're going to be setting up the auto caption for to display inappropriate words. This particular feature is very important, and it is very important because the YouTube auto caption that is being placed on people's video can occasionally make mistakes, thereby displaying inappropriate words. And inappropriate words can cause a lot of danger to your channel. So one of the dangers of inappropriate word is that your content can be removed from YouTube, or you can get a community strike, or you can even get your videos being limited to people only 18 years and above. And you know what it means for your videos to be limited to people only 18 years and above? What it means is that your videos may be subjected to limited ad revenue, and that is not what you want for yourself. So to avoid this, the only thing you need to do is to check the box. So once you check it, you are done with this part. So there is no other setting you need to do right on this advanced setting. So the next setting we are going to be heading on to is the feature eligibility. So here on this featured eligibility is where you're going to be verifying your phone number so that your channel can get the capacity to do live streaming, post custom thumbnail once you publish a video, and also do videos that are 15 minutes longer. So if you not verify your phone number, you cannot do that. All you need to do is to click on the verify your phone number and then put your phone number and then follow the prompt for you to verify it. So after you've done that, the next setting on the list is the upload setting. So the upload setting is where you're going to be choosing your video visibility. So there are three visibility you're going to be seeing there: public, private, and unlisted. So for you to be on a safer side, it's either you choose private or unlisted. So because once you publish a video, it doesn't end there. You need to do some important things like putting title tags, putting custom thumbnails, and even putting description on your videos for it to reach the right audience. So make sure that you put your video either unlisted or private. So I would recommend unlisted. So unlisted is better. So another thing it does is that it will help give YouTube time for them to do all the necessary checkup on your video to make sure that your video meet all the necessary criteria that a video should meet. So the next setting on the row is permission. So obviously your channel will grow one day and you want to assign different roles to different people on your channel. So on the permission tab is where you're going to be assigning different roles to different people to manage your channel. So here you can assign editor role, manager role, subtitle editor role. So any role you want to assign, you're going to be doing it by inviting them through the permission tab. So that is it. So the next is customization. So on the customization page is where you're going to be customizing your YouTube channel so that the YouTube algorithm and your audience will understand what your channel is all about. So the first thing you need to do here is to scroll up a little bit and add a banner image to your YouTube channel. So for you to do that, all you need to do is to click on the upload and then select your banner if you have one, just like I'm doing right now. This is the banner I did with the help of Canva. So you can also do it the way I actually did it. So it's very simple. So you upload it. So this, I've already uploaded my banner right now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to upload my logo. So I've already created my logo also. So I'm going to be uploading my logo. The FTM means the font time with MARKKINGS. So I'm going to be clicking on done. So I've already uploaded my logo. So the next thing I'm also going to upload after I'm done with uploading my logo is my description. So my description, I'm not going to be uploading anything. Instead, I'm going to be typing it. So when writing your description, you need to make sure that it's simple and it communicates what your channel is all about in one piece. So make sure it's simple and clear. After that, I'm going to be imputing my email. So the email you're going to be imputing here is the email that is going to be visible to your audience and anybody that visits your channel page. So make sure that this email is different from the email that you used to create your YouTube channel. Otherwise, you might compromise your security. After that, the next thing I'm going to upload is the watermark. So the watermark is just like a button in your channel where people can actually click on your video to subscribe to your channel. I am done uploading it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to set the watermark to show for the entire video. So the reason why I'm setting it for the entire video is to create a shortcut so that everybody that watches my video, once they find it valuable, will subscribe immediately without having to look for the subscription button. After that, the last setting here is imputing your links. I mean your social media links if you have any. So this is where you're going to be imputing any link that you want to impute right on your channel. So right here you can impute your website link, your social media links such as Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram. So any link that you want to impute, this is where you're going to be imputing it. Then after that, next thing I'm going to do is to check on all the settings that I've just done to make sure that everything is in good standing. Then I will hit on the publish button on the top left corner of the website, and that's it. So this is how the YouTube channel we just created right now is going to be appearing in public. So this is it right here. So and that's it. So the next thing on our list is the monetization aspect of the YouTube channel. Here on the monetization page is where you're going to be understanding the various requirements for you to get monetized. And for you to fully monetize your channel, you need to reach a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hour views. So once you reach the threshold, an email will be sent to you for you to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. So once you apply and they accept you into the program, you can start making money with ad revenue. And you can also meet the criteria by having 10 million short video views and 1000 subscribers. So whichever way that you want, you can meet up with the monetization threshold. So that's it. And apart from ad revenue, there are several other ways which you can earn money from your YouTube channel. So I'm going to be talking about that particular ones in my next video. For now, this is all you need to know about creating a YouTube channel as a beginner. Now, here is what you need to know before you record your first video. So, as a beginner on the YouTube space who is trying to record their first video, before you hit that record button, one of the questions you need to ask yourself is, the video I'm about to shoot right now, is it solving any problem? Is it solving any particular problem for anybody? If your answer to this question is no, then don't record that video. But if you are not sure of this answer, if you are not sure whether the video you're about to record is helping anybody, is about to solve any problem for anybody, all you need to do is to head on to YouTube space, go to the YouTube search bar and input that your topic or your title that you choose to record the video on. So once you input it, if anybody has done a video on that particular topic or use that particular title, then look at the videos that has been done there. If those videos has views, know that you are on the right track, that the video you're about to do is solving a problem. So look at what other people have done and then try to do something way better than what they have done on that particular topic. In that way, once you record and publish your first video, it will be a banger. And another thing you need to have in mind after you publish your first video is that you need to make sure that you have a good title tag and a good thumbnail. So these are the two things that people will look at before they click on your video. If those two things are not appealing to your audience, they are not going to be clicking on it, and in turn you won't get any views or you won't get the amount of views that you want. So these are the two things you need to know before publishing your first video, and these two things will help you scale through in your first video that you publish on YouTube. So that's all you need to know as a beginner on YouTube. Thanks for watching guys, and please don't forget to like and share this video if you find it helpful at the end, and don't forget to hit on the subscription button because that's the simple way you can support us. So thanks for watching once again, and bye for now.